Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Sorento brake light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Ensure your Sorento is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. Then, open the rear liftgate to gain easy access to the taillight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, locate the two retaining screws positioned on the inner edge of the taillight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but a steady pull will release it from its clips. Now, with the taillight assembly detached, identify the brake light bulb socket. Twist this socket counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new brake light bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Finally, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws using your Phillips head screwdriver, ensuring they are snug. Have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.